Dude, do you remember how many times?
The cold, oh my god. Might be in the water. So honestly, look at the mess here. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck finding your phone. I don't know where it is. Okay.
Hey.
What are you doing? Can I take a nap, please?
Yeah. I need a nap.
Oh, ich bin strubbelig. But you know what? I'm so glad I washed my hair this morning. Even though it's strubbelig, it's still better than it was this morning. It was so bad. If I've been like this all day, oh my god. It's so, honestly, my hair was so bad this morning. So I don't even care if I'm strubbelig. It's still better. Oh.
What's moving?
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Here.
I don't see anything. What are you doing? What people?
Those people.
What people? Are you seeing things?
Those.
You need to sleep.
No, I'm jealous. That got flag. You don't have mom.
Where's Oscar?
Downstairs. It's okay.
Actually, I'm surprised how cloudy it is.
Husky.
Is it supposed to rain or something?
You're a little old man.
Yeah. He's such a good man.
That girl's still out here pumping gas. It's like,
Yeah, but not that long.
it's like
What
8.
time is it? They close at 6 or something, right?
It's my doggy.
What time is it? Like 5 or 6? What time is it? They close really soon, at 6 I think. That's not a bad job up to 6 something else. Oh, come on. I worked here like a kid.
Dude, what are you doing?
No, be careful, please.
No.
Well, she's not very safe.
God, I saw a sweet man running by
Yeah,
there.
but that's not safe on
The
the
ball.
show.
That ain't right, dude.
Hey, you're in the way.
That's not very safe.
It changed the picture, didn't it? That's kind of cool.
Savvy,
Slim Jim.
you got fried.
No, too much sun.
You did.
Okay.
It's funny. It's like colored for her and then black and white behind her.
I look black and white.
Slim.
No, these big boats are always here. They're never out. I don't know. Every time we come home, they're always there. I don't think they ever go out.